Uh, Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Now I'm attempt to fix this radio. This radio came in bad condition, very dirty, not working. This FM radio, fma-21, in sharp Japan made, and when first time arrive, I clean it, I wash it with water, disassemble it, clean all with water. He found that several capacitor electronic need to change. This is several capacitor that I have changed. Let's see here. Output transform, and I have changed these two capacitor. No, this one here, and here, and this radio have 12 DT8 for the FM tuner. Then here 12 BE6 is mixer oscillator for AM mode. Then this one 12 BIA uh, 6 también also I'm sorry, I'm speaking in Spanish. Also 12 BA6, here 12 AV6 preamp, and this one 50C 5 output beam tube. We have 3 EF kind, 1, 2, 3. Then this is ballast resistor. See? Este for this tube heater, because this radio doesn't have tube rectifier. Rectifier uses silicon diode, this one. Then this can for 455 kilocycle for AM. This one for both for AM and FM. Then this one 41 F 760 for AM mode. I have changed several. This one as suggested by many websites that when you fix radio tube radio, always you have to change electrode capacitor. I have changed este filter, este for RF and field power supply line, and this two is from the detector discriminator. This one is for the antenna. This one using this one for antenna, this one output capacitor. Previous owner have been changed the speaker, but that is okay, all okay. Then is the plug-in, is the tuner, is the selector, and this one volume. Also have this one is the fuse to protect. This is the antenna. Yeah. Okay. Then when I start power it up, I only have sound and AM mode, and FM I don't have signal at all, dead silent. I asked for help and antiqueradio.com. Then they suggest to check voltage in connection here and tuner board. Then I check output and all good reading and voltage. Then I swap this one a surreal soap. No, don't have significant result. Then they suggest to check this connection, this point. I found that 0.5 tube V4 this not connected with this. I soldered it. Then I check further here and here. This also have crack, and this line I soldered it up. Then I powered it up. Okay. Let's see. I have changed several capacitor here as is no here. This one I have changed, this one. Then this capacitor serves three position. This one, this one, and I change with this one have 4 terminal. It consists 3, 1, 2, 3, red, blue, yellow, 3 capacitor inside this one. I don't have that, so I change to this one. 1, 2, then this one, 3. This one I change. Then I also change this one. See, with 3.3 microfarad. Then I also change this one, but the voltage is much lower, is 10 microfarad. 25 volts or 15 volts. Then I also change this capacitor in this position. Trace, see, trace 3 with 3.3 microfarad. Focus this one. Okay, then let's try the radio. I've plugged in. Then I start little and wait for a second for working, for heating, because this radio now the song really beautiful. I change. I hope this will help you. Then I change to STNM AM modus, very low, because in this city, Aguascalientes, AM mode we doesn't use anymore. I changed to FM mode.
Comenzaremos la construcción del paso a desnivel de agua.
Okay, I will enjoy this raid. Thanks for watching.